Hi, good morning. Today we're doing Toyota Avensis 2010 to 2016. Common problem, handbrake unit is gonna fail. This is the unit. If you can see, 3 wires on there. This one is ordinary release handbrake cable, so you can, if the handbrake is stuck, you can release from here. So it's going to the boot and then you can take it out. Okay, basically this is the unit, and that's the part number is here, you can see. And normally the problem is this unit is no communication, or if you change the unit, you can buy the unit from second hand on the eBay or whatever. So when you put it in this one and the codes coming, I will show you in a minute, and the codes coming, the unit is mismatch, the VIN mismatch, and very difficult to code that unit. And rest of that handbrake is working, but the signs coming inside the parking brakes malfunction. So I am going to show you, if we're going to diagnose that one, and then we can show you what code is coming on there. We're going to see. If you can see, this one we diagnose, and the codes coming here, C1203, vehicle information mismatch. So that's the code coming on there. So if you have the problem of this type of things, so what's the situation is in the middle here. If you can see here, the in this place is coming on there, parking brake malfunction. So if you coming up, this code is coming, so what is going to be, basically you have to take it out the unit, and you have to buy the other unit, like second and good condition unit, and both unit you have to post to me, and then we're gonna program, we're gonna take out the data from the original one, and then we're gonna write down in the second hand unit, and the unit will be ready, and will post back to you. So this is the process. We can solve your issue. Rest of that we can't help out. And if you can contact with me, my phone number is 07402536382. We are in Hounslow. You can see my other videos. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. I am going to repeat my phone number, 07402536382. Thank you for watching for my video. Bye.